I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Final Cut Pro and choosing the library that holds your media. Select or create the project you want to change. Once selected, open the inspector and confirm current project settings so you know the starting frame rate. Check a representative clip's frame rate in the Info Inspector. This tells you whether you'll conform or retime. Make sure background rendering is off for now to prevent auto-conforms, and save the project before you change anything significant. Now, right-click the project in the browser and pick Modify, then Properties. In the Properties dialog, change the frame rate to the target, for example 24, 25, 30, or 60, and adjust resolution if needed. When you apply the change, Final Cut Pro will ask how to handle existing clips. Choose Convert to adapt media or Preserve to keep original timing. Once done, scan the timeline for dropped frames or speed changes, and render a short section to verify playback behaves as expected. Finish by rendering the timeline fully and checking audio sync and motion quality across cuts. If you see stuttering or mismatched motion, select Problem Clips and apply optical flow or manual retiming to smooth motion. This fixes mismatched frame interpolation. Make sure audio remains locked to events, nudge clips if needed. Finally, export a short test file using your intended codec and play it on the target device. If issues persist, revert. Try the other Convert option, or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.